breadfruit. That's the one where you carry along a bush where you get under the tree.
Nice.
Huge one, you see the amount?
Yeah, it's giant.
Alright. I'm right, you not get seen breakfast yet, so one breadfruit that.
One breadfruit's gonna feed like 5 people.
Yeah, man.
Giant head size.
Yeah, man, big breadfruit, man.
So we got tomato, bit of nougat,
Yeah.
and scallion thyme, looks like.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes.
Alright. I'm with Darius. Darius is just having a bite. We'll get back to him in a second. We got MJ here. They're loving it. Got Matthew in the place, as always. Now, I've had this many times before, but it's still epic every single time.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm doing this video. I didn't film the cooking because we've done tons of breadfruit and tomato type breakfast before, but I want to see these guys' reaction and opinions.
Harmony.
Harmony.
Perfectly balanced. Tomatoes from the garden.
Yeah.
Sweet. Soft but not mushy.
I love the breadfruit when it's like this too, when it's roasted. And this one's not fried at all, so it's just got, I don't know, I find it tastes really bread-like. It's like the most bread-like kind of breadfruit compared to the fried.
But
How many did you get, Ratty? I don't even want to look. So, oh god. It's fly murder in here. Murderer. Good job,
out
dude.
in the street, they call it murder.
So normally there's no bugs here, but it's been raining so much. Not that there's no bugs here, but they're not generally getting attacked with flies. But when it rains, the flies just come in where it's dry, and they like to get in here too. But Ratty just killed about half of them in one shot. Jesus. What?
Right during the
Please don't cut my
breakfast.
arm off. Yeah.
It's amazing. You get a little dead flies while you eat breakfast.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, better dead than alive.
Yes.
But this is some proper. And MJ, you've been to Jamaica, or this is your first?
My
trip on-
first. It's been 2 weeks from now,
Yeah.
and it's a blessing. Come here. It's just like Mokko. Everywhere I've been, it's amazing. I just can't believe how Jamaica is a nice country.
Yeah, it's wicked. It's such a good place.
Everyone,
Underrated.
yeah, really. Like people were trying to scare me to not come here.
Mhm.
I was like, yeah, but there's everywhere. There's a scary place. So I just come here and no plan, but the life is mine in Jamaica.
Nice. And
Never felt more
breadfruit.
alive. And breadfruit.
Breadfruit the first time blew my mind that there's a fruit that tastes like bread. So.
Yeah, and the texture is not unpleasant. It's well done, and oh my god, the texture, the flavor, tomatoes amazing. This little sauce that you dip, wow.
And Darius, you've been here on the yard for how long now?
3-ish months. Yep.
Hey guys,
Amazing. No, don't do it. You're gonna send fly guts everywhere. Leave it for now.
I'm gonna be screwed when I go back to America. I don't
Yeah.
know what I'm gonna eat after all this. Yeah.
Everything gonna be bland.
3 months. We're gonna do a longer interview with you after, I think. We gotta get the real deal. That's a long time. Most I've spent here is just probably about 2.5 weeks. So
Word.
You know, on the yard fully, but
Oh, the field has been 2 days for me.
Sam, you spent 2 weeks, but what about the first time when you meet Mokko?
I only stayed 1 week.
First time. when
1 week. That's all. Alright, so here's the plate again. Huge pieces of breadfruit with tomato, pomodoro. And how good does that look? Wow. Oh, and tea time. What do we got today?
Scratch nickel.
Blessings.
Scratch nickel.
Oh, good. Mm. Mm-hmm.
See the phone you want it?
Huh?
You want
Wow.
You need a phone?
What?
You need a phone?
On the table. You
I
can't
said
drop
you
out
need it.
this.
No, I don't need it.
So I'm finding this breadfruit because it was so big and got so charred and blackened. It was in the fire for a long time last night. That it has a very smoky flavor to it. The smoke really went inside, and I'm tasting that smoky flavor, which is so good. You don't always get that with the fried, of course. Mom. This is my favorite breakfast,
So good.
for sure. Mom.
There's no word to describe how good this is.
Mm-mm. Do you have the scratch nickel leaf here inside that I can look at? Do you have any scratch nickel left? No? Okay. There was some drying on the table here yesterday, but this is the scratch nickel tea, which the leaf I found didn't even smell particularly nice on its own.
Scratch you. If you put your hand on it, it scratch you, you know.
Really?
Yeah, man. Bump up the whole hand, bump up the whole hand.
Oh, it's like a nettle.
A
almost.
nickel.
Ah.
It's a nickel that you drink, but it's good.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, scratch nickel.
What about you not scratch up my mouth?
If it not scratch my mouth, I won't drink it. I'll make you learn you something. Anything where you see goat heat and cow heat, it's not bad for nothing. What you do, man?
Last time I had a pump start
Eat your
moving.
food, brother. Eat your food. Enjoy your food.
So
Oh my
scratch nettle. I thought it was nickel at first, but. And on the picture too, we gotta say big up to
Dog.
Dave Birney, Dave Diane, and big up Ben too.
And
The Birneys are how I originally found this place. Did you hear about Dave Birney, Darius?
I'm not.
So this guy on the mug here, he had and his wife have a website called Worlds Together Travel Network, and that's how I originally found this place because I was looking if anyone had done RASTA cooking show before and there was nothing. But they had a travel website where they had come and stayed here and had a video making some ital soup or something. So massive respect to the Birneys.
And
Yeah, the original. Dave's son Ben does a glass blowing festival every year in Michigan, and it's called Weekend at Birney's, where they have all these amazing glass blowing artists go. So I'm gonna do a video there hopefully in the next month or two. So definitely check back for that. I'll probably post it on RAS Kitchen because the Birneys have been so involved with this this place coming around. But all right, Darius, I'm sure you've had tons of good teas. Do you have a favorite since you've been here? Because you get it every day, at least twice, right?
Chocolate tea.
Yeah. Amen.
Nice.
But this is the scratch nettle.
Why? Too many in here.
Disgusting.
He's in deep meditation.
It's clean, medicinal, herby, sweet. There's some sugar in there, and warming, real warmth.
Beautiful on a rainy day. And we got MJ.
Yeah, perfect.
Does it compare to anything? I find a lot of the bush teas I have a hard time kind of comparing it to an existing flavor or whatever. Rat teas don't.
No, he didn't.
Get it away from
The
me.
fly bodies just attract more flies.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, that's
Oh,
good.
it's just like
That's good.
perfectly balanced. It's no bitterness, just little sweet, little hearty.
I'm scratching your throat.
Wow.
No.
I don't.
Saves the scratch from your throat. Big up Dave, Bernie, and Mokko in the Mokko and Dave glass. Just tastes healthy. I don't know how to describe it. You got to come taste it. Tastes like health.
Anyway you go, you not get food like this.
I know, right?
12.
Anywhere you go, for the time we're in Jamaica, you not get them type of food. I'm going to RAS Kitchen do them kind of food there, you know.
Yes, I. That's why I came here.
Yes, sir. To survive.
That's why
And
I
eat the good food.
That's why I will come back.
Always.
Yeah,
Always. Because you not get nothing better more than this. Anywhere you go right down and you look.
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna do the whole I'm gonna do the
Over the
whole
whole
area.
country. And then you come
I'm
around
gonna-
back.
Yes, I.
A lot of people come back here. It's true. Tons of repeat guests.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'll be back there in Otto Street Show, and I'll be no damn. I miss Rasmoko Kitchen.
Yeah, man. Miss RASTA Kitchen.
Yes, I.
Yes, sir.
We need this to get
Yeah, man.
Michelin
Nowhere
star.
else, brother. And nowhere else you get big food, big plate of food like here. We can serve you all 2, 3 somebody. Cause some place now then cut all them breadfruit there and give you all a little slice of it, a little bit. They don't know what they're doing. But you say you come here with a big belly full, well if even the day.
the Texas toast version of breadfruit here. Thick,
man.
thick cuts.
And that breadfruit, you must lucky. That matter did come around next night.
Yeah, I know.
Nobody that eat that breadfruit that eat that, cause we wouldn't go down there go look the one they put in the soup. Nah, nothing but they just falling off of the tree like that cause the last day on it, you know. We plant them.
Was that one so heavy it just fell off?
Yeah. through the rain.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, and it drop by itself and it drops so. And no, it don't get no butter, it no get no hurt.
Uh-huh.
That's how you know it's the best fruit.
Yeah, it comes right to you.
Yeah, it not come to me, it come to Matthew. And just sitting and waiting there for Matthew.
Yeah, I got lucky.
Yeah, just
So you
sitting
just
and
walk around and feel the
yeah,
It just kind of comes to me like
Yeah.
Magneto.
yeah. You know, so if we never go, it's stay there and ride.
So if we go walk, we need to bring Matthew. So fruits fall.
Food always fall off a tree.
You heard it here. Food follows me.
Is it like a good thing or is it a bad thing? Like tree want to hurt you or tree want to feed you?
It wants to feed me, I like to think.
Here we go. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for the camera. There we go. You like sugar cane? So it feels like a yoga mat. It bit me. It didn't taste like lemon. I'm getting lobster grease all over my phone, but it's so worth it.
So this is what I'm going for. This is a full-grown POW shell here.
Hey, what's up? It's Matthew. Please join me on my other channel. It's called Earthly Eats, exploring surf and turf from the ends of the earth. Just click show more below.
Looks like his thing.